Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in again. Welcome back to Heron Park here on YouTube. I wanted to bring you guys a quick little sneak peek and tutorial of the Berries palette from Juvia's Place. The Berries palette was one of the four that was released this Christmas. There are four mini palettes. You guys stick around and look for my videos. I'll be doing a tutorial for each one of those, as well as introducing some other products that I got around Christmas as well. But I wanted to come and show you guys what this palette looks like. It's really a stunning palette. It really is. This one is probably my favorite out of the four. They're $13.99 and you can get them at juviasplace.com. I was asked on Facebook if I thought that Juvia's Place had already released these colors, and my answer is no at this point, because I did get a chance to compare my older palettes to the new minis, and there are a lot of new colors to the brand. I think they did a great job at choosing the colors to put in the minis, like for the color theme of them. I think they did a great job at that. Once you get the palettes, if you have the older palettes, you'll be able to see it for yourself. I usually have a kind of a hard time mixing pressed pigment and eyeshadow, but however they mixed these pressed pigments in this palette, they did a great job. Just to let you guys know that there are both. I usually don't use concealer as a base, but I used I Am Magic concealer for this one, and it turned out great. I did wind up using shade number 2, the second one in the middle on the top row, as my cheek color for this look. This is my Smashbox Ladder highlighter. It's the Petal Metal highlighter. Anytime you guys see me in pink or burgundy, you're gonna see this highlighter. No matter what, it's my favorite. Moving on to the lip, I had to show you guys this combo right here. This is the perfect palette to wear Fumi's gloss with, okay? It's something about this dark gloss right here that sets off any pink eyeshadow look, period. I did wind up showing you guys in my photos on Facebook as well as Instagram what it looks like with a matte lip. That matte lip is Pure Cosmetics Inspire is from the Barbie collection. I wanted to show you guys that. You're going to see it right now. That's what I have on in this video and in the pictures. I hope you guys enjoyed the sneak peek and the mini tutorial. Let me know what you guys think once you get your palette. See you next time.